बीए पार्ट फर्स्ट के विद्यार्थियों के लिए आज प्रिय विद्यार्थियों हम डिस्कस करेंगे द पोएम द विलेज स्कूल मास्टर दैट वाज रिटन बाय ओलिवर गोल्डस्मिथ. This poem is prescribed in your paper first. We will discuss this poem in several parts. In today's video, dear student, we will talk about the poet and about the poem, a short description of the poem. So, first we will talk about the poet. Oliver Goldsmith was an Irish poet and was born in Longfield and received his education from Trinity College, Dublin. He was an essayist, a poet, playwright, and novelist. He was the most charming and the most versatile and the most lovable of all the literary men who brought fame to the age of Johnson. Oliver Goldsmith was the second son of an Irish clergyman. He entered Trinity College, Dublin in 1744. He ran away to Cork but returned and graduated BA in 1749. He then studied medicine at Edinburgh and at Leiden and wandered about France, Switzerland, and Italy. It is said that he obtained a medical degree at some foreign university. He reached London in destruction in 1756. His famous works include The Traveller, that was a poem, The Vicar of Wakefield, that was a novel, She Stoops to Conquer, that was a comedy, and Boswell's Life of Johnson contains many contains many episodes about Goldsmith. Dr. Johnson, who was quite awake to Goldsmith's absurdities, had a high respect for his worth and literary abilities. In the words of Dr. Johnson, he was a poet, a naturalist, and historian who left scarcely any style of writing untouched, nothing that he did not adorn. Goldsmith is noted for the purity, simplicity, and dignity of his style. In the words of Garrick, Goldsmith wrote like an angel. In 1768, when the Royal Academy of Arts was founded with Sir Johnson Reynolds as the president, Oliver Goldsmith was appointed an Loin Professor of Ancient History. Although there was no salary attached to the position, it was the highest marks of distinction in Goldsmith's life. Goldsmith had an ugly face disfigured by smallpox. Lie had a short, sturdy figure which was quite clumsy to look at, but he had a very sweet temper and a sunny disposition. He was good at heart. He was so simple of mind that many a time he was a victim of fraud. He was optimistic and visionary. He was excessively fond of dress. He never cared for money and always spent more than what he had, with the result that he was always in debt and trouble. With all these qualities, his character did not possess that force which is necessary to achieve material success. He was a good man, but he had a very clumsy and awkward manner of speaking. He wrote like an angel but talked like a poor Paul. As a scholar, he was careless and superficial, but as a literary artist, he occupied a very important position. Dr. Johnson and Mary Hawker were some of his great friends. Goldsmith died on April 4th, 1774, at the age of 46. Goldsmith's reputation as a poet rests on two long poems, The Traveller and The Deserted Village. His two comedies are Good Natured Man and She Stoops to Conquer. The former is a comedy of character and the latter a comedy of intrigue. His only novel, The Vicar of Wakefield, is highly popular. His compassionate nature and genial humor shine through his writing. So, dear student, this was the brief introduction of the poet Oliver Goldsmith. Now, we will discuss the poem, a brief introduction of the poem The Village Schoolmaster. The poem Village Schoolmaster is an extract from a longer poem by Oliver Goldsmith called The Deserted Village, one of the best known poems of the 18th century. To some extent, this passage, the portrait of an agreeable village schoolmaster, needs to be set in context. The village Goldsmith writes about the village he calls Auburn in his deserted village. It probably wasn't a simple, real village, but was an imaginary, ideal one, credited nonetheless from village he has observed. The village he imagined is now deserted because all the people have immigrated. The village is The village is depopulated now, and the reason attributed for depopulation is the fascination or the comforts of the city. Goldsmith returns to the village that he knew as vibrant and alive and finds it deserted and overgrown. He laments the decayed condition of the village. He remembers the good things of village life, including his affection, if humorous portraits of the school master. Here, the poet discusses the character of the village schoolmaster. The village schoolmaster is a poem that exemplifies Goldsmith's whimsical and light-hearted humor, inimitable characterization, and coherent style. The village schoolmaster is an extract from Goldsmith's poem The Deserted Village. The poem opens with a casual description of the geographical location of the village schoolmaster's mansion. The schoolmaster was a strict disciplinarian. His pupils viewed him with fear and respect. The children in general had great respect and regard for him, but feared to see him angry. Yet they laughed mercilessly at his jokes. He was a man of benevolent nature, yet haughty of his learning. He was jack of all trades. He knew how to write, debate, solve mathematical problems, survey fields, forecast time and tide, measure the content in a vessel, and so on. Village, villagers admired him for the impressive use of words and great stock of knowledge. Even the village priest acknowledged his mastery over words. He was fond of arguing and kept doing so even after being defeated. The villagers were amazed and awestruck at the amount of the knowledge that lay stored in his small head. The poet concludes that all his fame has disappeared and even the place belonging to him has been forgotten. The poem has a rural background and depicts scene, objects, folk, manners typical of an 18th century British village. The poem contains Goldsmith's nostalgic reflection of his childhood days. It is written mainly in closed couplets of iambic pentameter. The extract is an executive piece of poetry dedicated to the school master. सो प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, ये एक छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन था पोएम का, द विलेज स्कूल मास्टर। इससे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लाइन टू लाइन एक्सप्लेन करेंगे पोएम को, द विलेज स्कूल मास्टर।